Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about IDS, or shortcut IDS, already in profits 900% and just 2 hours ago listed on CoinGecko. For sure you can buy this token on Pancakeswap, and let's have a look what exactly IDStoken.com is their website. What exactly IDS is offering us. There are many times that we have a brilliant idea that only needed some money and effort to become true. Do you have an idea or a project? You can share it on our platform, and investors or donators will help you reach your goal. IDS is a token that will make your ideas and projects become true. Our visions, IDS mission is to change the way people fund their works to a more decentralized, open and borderless way. We are creating a crypto Kickstarter for all kinds of projects. We aim to give each person with a good idea or project an opportunity to share his idea on our platform, and other users that read his idea can become investors or donators by sending the project crypto assets to achieve his goal. So we have once you can share your idea, you can invest in ideas, and then finally you have a win-win situation on this kind of platforms, right? Tokenomics. IDS token has a total supply of 300 million tokens. 5% goes to the team, 15% marketing, and the IDS budget 15%. This amount is for creating the features of IDS. Pancakeswap, you can buy this token on Pancakeswap for sure. 65% are for sale. How it works: frequently asked questions. You can look this by yourself, guys. I don't want to read this all for you guys right now. It will bore you, and this video will never end. So let's see the roadmap. Stage 2, they are already on CoinMarketCap listing, on CoinGecko listed, and they are still working on marketing and advertising. For sure, guys, you need marketing as much as you can. The whole team will be revealed as per the roadmap. Adam Safwan, CEO, founder, and Ibrahim Cherry, co-founder. Our team is always available and ready to answer your questions. Don't hesitate to join us on our Telegram channel and ask us everything. Now let's step into the white paper. It is a 13-pager, so you can read this by yourself, exactly the details about this project. For sure, they have a Telegram group right now. It is a channel with 131 subscribers. Not much right now, but it is a very new project, right? And on Twitter, they are also with 1163 followers right now. And let's look at the price. And the price is looking good in my eyes right now. For me, it looks good. It is a project which started the token in 1st November this year. So it is 1.5 months old. And you can see here we have a up and down continually, and here at least after CoinGecko listed, we have here big pump right now, and that's why we have a 900%. That means a 9x already done, right? And why not another 10x from this point? Why not, guys? Be aware, just make your due diligence. Don't throw all your money inside one project. You know, I tell you always the same stuff, but Don't throw all your money inside. Just spread it as much as you can. And yeah, I see here another 10x easily if these guys push more marketing forward. And why not? It is a nice project. It looks great. I wish for myself they make also Telegram group. Then people can share their meanings, their ideas also in this group, not only a channel. But we are still in the beginning. Guys, it can come more and more days after day. And until next video, guys, I wish you the very best profits with ideas. Tell me what you think about this project down into the comments. Leave me a like if you like the video or the project. And for sure, subscribe if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you all the best. See you next time. Bye.